It's a camping trailer that drives itself. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter. Check out Pebble Flow, the electrified camper that hitches itself and pulls its own weight. This thing is wild. It's from a team that hails from Apple and Tesla alum. So how cool does this design look? Pebble Flow is a revolutionary camper that combines dual electric motors, a huge battery pack, and a little robotics know-how to make towing and trailering more accessible and efficient. Pebble Flow can hitch itself to your vehicle with the touch of a button and then follow your car's movements. You don't need to worry about steering, braking, or parking because Pebble Flow is going to do it all for you. Pebble Flow also has its own power source so you can camp anywhere without relying on external hookups. That's pretty cool. The battery pack can store enough energy to power the camper's appliances, lights, and climate control for up to an entire week. Look inside and see how the Pebble Flow's cozy interior can accommodate up to 4 people. Cool design here. It's got a queen-size bed, a convertible sofa, a kitchenette, and a bathroom. It also has plenty of storage space for your gear and gadgets, as well as a retractable awning. For the latest tech news and security tips, head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter.